Hello everyone, take a white sheet and then draw the flowers like this over it. Make the petals of the flowers. Now after that we'll be making the stems of the flower like this. Now you can make a leaf, put some shades in the between like this. Make the leaves on the stems like this and color it with the pink color and green color like this, and it's ready. Next, make the shape of the flowers like this. Draw a circle and then make the petals inside the circle like this. Now draw the petals on the downside as well by drawing the lines. Now draw the stems and leaves of the flower. Now remove the pencil lines like this and then put the pink color petals and then color it, and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing the lines like this to make the flower. So draw the lines on the downward shape to make the rose. Now make the leaves and the stems of the rose like this. Using the green color, we'll be filling the color inside it like this, and your rose is ready. Next, draw the lines like this as shown in the video to make the flower. Now after that, make its stems and leaves like this on the sides of it and then color it with the pink color and the green color like this, and your flower is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw circles like this or the half circles. Now join the petals of the flowers. Draw the stems and leaves of the flower like this. Now here we are making a lotus. Now after that, fill the color inside it with the pink and green color. Put the pink color on the lotus and your flowers are ready. Next, draw the lines like this as shown in the video and then we'll be completing the bell-shaped flowers like this. Now make the leaves on the sides, color it with the dark pink color, and your bell-shaped flowers are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, again we'll be making a beautiful rose. So draw the lines like this and make a rose. Now draw the lines and then make the stems and leaves of the flowers. Make the red color rose and then fill the green color in the flower like this, and your rose is ready. I hope you liked it. You can use different colors to color the rose, and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this and join it to make the rose. So draw the lines like this, or you can make a tulip in this way and color the leaf like this, and it's done. Next, draw red color heart like this using red color. Now we'll be drawing the lines on the sides of it in the same manner. Now color it on the top as well. Now make the dots with the black color and then make a stem and leaf, and your flower is ready. Next, make the rose like this by drawing the circles. Now outline it like this and then we have to color it with the red color. Make the stems and leaves with the green color. Draw the stem of it like this with the green color marker and make the leaves. Or you can make a bouquet like this and then put a tissue paper over it to cover it, and your bouquet will be ready. Next, we'll be using the letters, we'll be making the flowers. So now write a W and then we'll be drawing the lines like this to make the flowers. Make the petals, make the stems and leaves, color it, and it's done. Next, using E, we'll be making a rose, and then using the letter O, we'll be again making a beautiful flower like this. Put the stems and leaves, color it, and your flower is ready. Next, draw the lines like this with the green marker and make the leaves like this. Now after making the leaves, we'll be making the flower like this if you want on the top of it with the red marker or different colors of your choice. Here we are making small cute flowers like this, and your flowers are ready. Thanks for watching our video.